don't like it here, I don't like it here, don't like it here, don't like it here. With these lobbies, bro, I'm not doing anything with a crossbow, respectfully. Wait, there it is. Okay, I need high ground. Don't kill me, please. That would be really mean. Okay, that's 2. Nice, amazing. Also, I don't know why I'm using pumps. I've just been inspired to use pumps a lot recently. Oh, but my aim. Okay, if I die here, bro, I'm retiring. Let me do this. Nice, good. Okay, he's the guy that got rezzed earlier, so I should probably go for the full. Yeah, I'm going through it. Wow, Frostbrand is just something else. Okay, let's just play. You're really not trying to do that, right? Honestly, I gave him props for hitting the shot. And your thingy blew up. Doesn't that suck? Why do all these guys have the same skin? Dude, well, how long have I been here for, dude? Can y'all let me breathe for like 5 seconds, please, bro? Nice, okay. Please tell me you have heavy, please tell me you have heavy. Nice, you did. Okay, now I can get out of here because holy, dude, I've been here the entire game. Okay, well, here's the thing I've been waiting and suffering to get. The crossbow. Yes sir, I'm disgusted or I don't want to throw up. Okay, you know what? YOLO. It isn't a crossbow only challenge, I just gotta use the crossbow, by the way. Okay, yeah, that pretty much explains the crossbow in 2 sentences right there. I'm giving myself the pyramid. I missed that. I'm going to, like, dude, you're standing still. I hit that. I hit that literally. There we go. Okay, so a can one shot. Oh, where did you come from? Please don't hit me out of there. Okay, thank you. Okay, you die. Doges, okay. Fine. Gotta make sure this guy isn't getting rezzed, right? He isn't? I would hope so. Okay, he's not. That's good. Wait, no way, right? Like, I'm right above his head. Nice. These are perfect. These are the perfect players I need to go against for this. Cause one more guy that doesn't. Yeah, this guy. I'm not risking it against this guy, bro. Respectfully, I'm using my AK. Nah, I'm not. No. If it's just one dude, I'm down. Oh, it's just one dude. Okay, but if you drop, I drop. You know what? Top downtown might be a good place to fight. I would like to not choke this game. Broke him? Oh dang, he popped his medic. Wow, that's crazy.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
That is crazy. I'm full 200 HP and I get 1 tap. It's so cool. That's actually super cool, bro. That's so cool how I get 1 tapped. That's so cool. Like, I am literally the maximum HP I can be, and I get one tapped by a HSO. Like, it just does not make sense. I don't understand.